In this lesson, we will begin our introduction to CRM marketing and learn about the benefits of using SendPulse CRM for business. CRM marketing is an approach that puts the customer at the center of your marketing strategy. Its goal is not just to sell, but to build lasting and profitable relationships with customers. For this to work in practice, you need a CRM system, a tool that collects, organizes, and analyzes all points of contact with the customer: letters, calls, purchases, support requests. Imagine, instead of scattered notes, Excel spreadsheets, and chats in WhatsApp or Telegram, you have everything in one window. CRM helps your business collect customer data, show communication history, manage sales step by step, automate routine tasks, analyze what works and doesn't work. Thanks to this, you can easily segment your database, highlight hot leads, new customers, or those who haven't purchased in a while, send personalized offers at the right moment, create campaigns that match exactly where the client is in the sales pipeline, increase satisfaction, loyalty, and as a result, revenue. A CRM is a must-have for every business today, and here's why. First, transparency. All customers, all deals, all emails are right at your fingertips. You know how many leads are in progress, at what stage they are, and who on your team is handling what. Second, automation. Reminders, tasks, emails, no need to worry about the small stuff. Third, teamwork. Every manager sees their tasks, and each lead is assigned. If someone goes on vacation, another teammate can easily pick up the client work. Another key feature is analytics. CRM shows the total number of active and closed deals, the overall deal value for a selected period, and the number of new contacts from all pipelines. In short, it looks like this: data that turns into insights that drive growth. And finally, customer centricity. CRM helps you remember names, birthdays, interests, purchase history, which means building trust. On the screen, you can see SendPulse CRM homepage, a convenient dashboard. Here you can track current sales, team activity, and new leads. Contacts, a dedicated database with search, filtering, and tagging. Each client comes with a detailed history. Deals, a Kanban board, list, or calendar view, whichever suits you best. You can create new deals, drag and drop them between deal stages, and assign responsible managers. Deals transition from one stage to another, new, in progress, pending approval. Tasks, a team board where you can monitor deadlines, priorities, and statuses. SendPulse CRM is part of the platform's unified ecosystem, seamlessly integrated with other services. This allows you to automatically create or update deals, add new contacts, and assign tasks to your team, all in response to user actions in chatbots, on websites, via pop-up forms, and across other channels. The CRM is suitable for businesses of any size, even if you don't yet have a large client base. You can start using SendPulse CRM for free with up to 5 users in your account. And as your business grows, you'll be able to easily unlock advanced features on paid plans, ensuring your CRM scales right alongside you. Businesses can use a CRM in many different ways. For example, educational courses. The CRM records every student, automatically sends payment reminders, and delivers follow-up emails. Online shops, each purchase generates a new deal while the client is added to the mailing list. B2B services. The CRM displays a sales pipeline for every manager and helps ensure no inquiry from the website is ever lost. And in our next lesson, we'll take a closer look at SendPulse CRM in more detail.